the opening ceremonies. I remember watching films and films and films of ancient Olympics, and they're always showing them walking and marching, and that was it for me. It was never about the medal for me. It was about marching in the opening ceremonies and showing that you did it, right? That you reach a higher level of excellence. Kind of like this orchestra we had today. Oh my gosh, they were awesome. They were awesome. I love excellence. I love excellence. It's like, oh, I love it. And they were you close your eyes, that was Yanni. I'm serious, they were that good. They were that good. They were so good. And it didn't just happen. My kids have been doing the piano for 7 years, and they're just starting to get really good. But I bet some of these kids have probably been doing their instrument for 10, 15 years, I bet. And it shows. And it shows. It's incremental, incremental. So I said, I'll go. So he goes, well, before you come to Lake Placid, you need to know 2 things. Number 1, if you want to do it at your age, you want to do it in just 4 years, it's brutal, brutal. 9 out of 10 people quit. When he said that, I started smiling. I thought, wow, this works right into my plan. This is just perfect, right? So what's the second thing? He said, expect breaks and bones. I said, great, great. And he got real quiet for a long time, and finally he comes back and goes, what's wrong with you, man? I told you you're gonna break some bones. Are you crazy or something? I said, look, man, I hope it's 10 times harder than what you're telling me. I hope it's 100 times harder, because the harder it is, the easier it is for me, because I'm not a quitter. I'm bulldog. See? Guys, I was praying that it would be so hard that some of these East Germans would quit. Yeah. And obviously, I didn't pray hard enough, because they always show up, they race, they pick up their medals, and they head home. I mean, they are so good. Oh my gosh. Germany has won 80% of all the medals, luge and World Cup, in the last 50 years, okay? Yeah, it's like if the Cowboys have won 80% of the Super Bowls in the last 50 years. They changed the rules. They'd make it illegal. And they're not any better. They just made a decision to be better. They said, this is where we're gonna focus, and we're gonna be better, and we're gonna be excellent at it, and we're gonna be the best. And it's just what you were talking about. We're gonna make a decision because we can and because we will. And so we're gonna do it. Done. It's a done deal. Just a done deal. Success is a decision. It's a decision. That's all it is. You decide and then you do it, and you don't quit. That's it. It's simple. Okay? Success is simple. Not easy. It's really hard. But there's no competition at the top, because nobody's willing to do what you guys are going to do. Yeah. And then you're going to be the best. You're almost there. I can feel it. I just feel it. Oh, you're so close. You're so close. Just keep going. Keep going, okay? Like that marathon, right? You got 1 more mile. You did 25. Keep going. Keep going. Because that last mile is what makes you a marathon runner. It's not the first 25. It's that last one. Got to finish strong. Finish strong, okay? Consistent and persistent every day, every day, every day. You do what it takes, and it adds up. And there's a compounding effect, just like at the bank. And boom, then it happens. You're there. You reach another level. It's like, oh, man, this is great. This is awesome. You feel so proud. You feel so happy because you did it. And that's what the Olympics are about, too. It's just excellence. All it is. It's excellence. You get strong inside. You start walking differently. You start talking differently. All of a sudden, people that made fun of you, they disappear from your life. They're after somebody that's weak. All of a sudden, you become better at work. You become a better leader at work. You become a better teacher, because everybody wants to follow somebody that's excited. Everybody wants to follow somebody that's passionate, right? Look back, think back in your lives. Who's your favorite teacher? It probably had nothing to do with the subject. It had to do with the attitude and the excitement. And that's something anybody can do, guys. I'm a shy guy. I know none of you believe me, but I'm a shy guy. I'm a bookworm. I would rather be sitting in the corner reading a book than having to talk to a person, because that's a stretch for me. It is. And look at what I do for a living. I made C's in English, okay? My parents, they celebrated when I brought home a C. It was that bad. And I've written best-selling books. Doesn't make sense. I'm not a great athlete. I got to go 4 Olympics. It's all attitude and outwork the competition. You can always make up in hard work what you don't have in gifts and talent. I believe that with all my heart because I've lived it. I've lived it. And so, yeah, it's just believing and hanging around those believers and let it rub off on you, and you'll be a better leader if you start getting all excited like that. You guys, with all the teamwork and all the love and all the, like I said earlier, man, I can feel it. You guys are a different type of group, right? You got an awesome leader. He makes it fun, but he knows, right? You guys can do anything, anything. So thank you so much for having me. You guys were awesome. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you, boss. Thank you, guys. Woo. Thank you.